Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got a painted polish haul and swatches video for you. Here's a picture of the whole collection. I didn't get the blue stamping polish though. Just want to make that clear. And here we go. I've got the 5 colors. We got Bean Me Up Scotty. Next that we got Eggplant One on Me. Next we have Must Love Moss. And I'm telling y'all, these are all so freaking pretty. Ochre the Moon. Oh my goodness. And then finally, Rugged Rainbow. We're going to get started with Bean Me Up Scotty. I'm going to go in with our first coat. These polishes really blew me away. They're chocked full of goodness, but they're super smooth as far as like getting them on the nail. You're not having to dig and fish. So I'm showing the 2 coats, top coat, and there it is, shiny. And then I mattify it. Here is the mattified version. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Ugh. Next up, we've got Eggplant One on Me. We're going in with our first coat. And this is like an aubergine or an eggplant, of course, purple with gold shimmer. So we're going in on a second coat here. Ugh. Be Still My Heart with some top coat. And here it is, gloss. And oh, I love it. I love them all glossy and mattified. And then matte. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Must Love Moss. This one is extremely unique to my collection. I mean, wow. Very cool. Second coat going on here. Love the brush, love the formula, love it all. And then some top coat. And I'm using the Moonshine Manny Let's Go top coat. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I just seriously love these. Mattified. See, they're just so pretty matte. Alright. And then Ochre the Moon. Oh. And this is like a kind of pumpkin-y orange with some like metallic teal shreds, flaky something in it. I don't know. I just love it. Get that top coat on there. Oh, yes. Oh. Can't wait to wear these. They're going to sit on my desk until all of them have been worn. Oh. Oh my goodness. I love them. Alright, next up we got Rugged Rainbow. It's the last one. Now, I didn't buy the whole collection because I was able to use somebody's discount code and get the ones I really wanted for less than the set that was on sale. It wouldn't let me use the coupon code with the sale, so you guys know. I want the best bang for my buck. Alright, there we go, Rugged Rainbow. Absolutely gorgeous. So fall appropriate. So happy to have these. And I do hope you enjoyed my swatches today. I will have a link for painted polish down below. I have no affiliate, so don't be worried about that. So that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.